What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode. It's bright and breezy. Day 3 morning. It's still kind of foggy out, but it's beautiful. Let's see what we can do today. You know the drill. Fishing for walleye for dinner tonight and seeing if I can find myself a big pike. Pike fishing's been kind of slow thus far. Hopefully it turns up this week sometime, but you know, I'll give it my shot. See if that 40-inch plus pike is out there waiting for me. But either way, it's going to be a fun day. So stick with us, stay tuned, and let's get them. Alright. I'm going to start with this tube jig, because this color seems to be killing it. This color one, Dad, so far, see the color of this thing? This is what I've been catching all of my walleye on. It's like an off yellowish. It's like the color of a baby walleye almost, you know. I would think a big rogue pike would be. I'm surprised we haven't had one single rogue pike biting on your walleye rig, dude. I mean, that always happens. The walleye or the pike are just doing something weird right now. We'll find them. I'll get a giant. I know I will. It may take all week, but I'll be happy if I just catch. Yeah, I'll be happy if I catch just one 40-incher. Just one. I just want one. But right now, we're honing in on wallies. I'd want to catch a wally. Well, that's the biggest walleye we've seen since we got here. The early bird gets the worm. He got another big one? I can't even tie a damn jig on before this man catches another big fish on me. What the hell? Give me a chance, bro. Give me a chance. Oh, that's an eater. That's an 18 or a 17 right there. Show him the camera real quick. In the sun. Ah, yeah, we're eating that bad boy. That's a beauty. In the box. I want to see what he is. I'd say 17 and a half. 18?
18.
He's 18 on the knuckles. That's what we want. That's what we're here for. In the box. The eagles are excited for us too. Dude, they're biting so subtle that it's just a little ding and then your minnow is gone. It's the most subtle bite I've ever seen. Alright, finally rigged up. I'm gonna try a slip bobber setup just because when the fishing's tough we can cover ground this way. And I haven't slip bobber fished here in a couple years, so give it a try. See what happens. Dude, you're on a tear over here, dude. Wow, dude. What happened? You never know with fishing, man. Seriously. No. Dude, that's another tail-slapping beast. Dude, that thing's a monster. Thing's a monster, dude. It's another 20 plus. Damn. Damn. Damn.
Oh, is that awesome?
Damn, bro. Look at this. This is day 3, and all of a sudden the monsters woke up. We've been looking for these fish for 2 days, and all of a sudden the big 20 pluses just came out this morning. 22 again.
22.
Oh, I could have got the release footage. Oh well. Bobber is down. It works. Yes, dude, it works. And it's a big one, dude.
Good.
Yes. Maybe not a big one, but hey, I still caught one. Alright, fish number 1 for Nick the Piker. The slip bobber works. I think we can do better than that though, so I'm gonna let him go. Get back out there. What's all the commotion out there, guys? It's an eater already.
Dude, this may be a 30-incher, dude.
Really?
Yeah.
Or a big pike, dude. That might be a big pike too, man. Look at how he's just, dude, that's a big pike. Holy crap. Holy crap. That's a monster pike, bro. I gotta bring my shit in. God bless it. I never even get to fish today, dude. Jesus. Dude, that's the biggest pike you've ever caught right there.
I know, but fucking chunk, dude. Big fish.
Unreal, dude. I'm so glad we came over here.
Might be a 30 fucking walleye.
We'll see. All we can do.
Fight like a walleye, dude.
Is it?
Yeah.
What if it's a 20-pound whitefish? Dude, what the hell? And he's got the current to beat you, dude. Oh, it's a huge pike, dude. I don't know. Was that a pike?
I don't know.
Looked like a salmon.
Yeah.
Did you just catch a
I
salmon?
might have.
I could have swore it looked like a coho face,
Yeah.
dude.
Looked like a friggin' salmon.
That looked like a coho face. What the hell?
Reader.
What the hell is it? No, it's a pike. It's a nice one, dude. It's a nice pike. You got no leader, though.
Got him in the corner of the mouth, though.
He's long. That's a 36-incher, dude.
Get ready.
I am. Oh, dude, that's a beast. Oh, that's a beast. Oh, oh, yes. On the fucking walleye rig, dude. What the hell? Look at the size of that fish, dude. You don't fit in the net. Wow, dude. That's your PB.
That was an awesome friggin' battle,
Dude, that's your PB.
That was an awesome battle.
That's the biggest pike you've ever caught right
I
there.
don't know. We'll see how big he is, but that was a battle.
Dude, that is the biggest pike you've ever caught.
I don't know. We'll see how big he is, but that was a battle.
Wow.
Wow. Wow. I
got-
had him in the corner of the mouth, dude.
You did. If you didn't,
Yeah.
that would not be in the
I
boat.
would not have him.
Man.
Look at the battle scars on him.
Yeah, dude. He's a bruiser. He's a bruiser, dude. What a bruiser. What a bruiser. Wow, dude. That is a bruiser.
Beauty. Take a picture of him.
I'm getting a video right there.
I
Here,
wanna-
I'll get you a picture.
Get a picture.
Wow, dude. Hold on, I want to get him as close as possible. Dude. Dude.
I want to get him in the water.
Yeah, let's see how big he is, though.
Yeah.
You've done that, but maybe a ½ inch bigger. Look at the mouth on that thing, dude.
Oh, he's a bruiser.
Wow, man.
Awesome.
What a beast, dude. What a beast. What a beast. I love big pike, dude. Just being in the presence of a beast like that makes me happy, bro. He's ready to go. There he goes. Hell yeah, bro. I can't believe he didn't break you off. And he was jumping. It looked like a salmon when he jumped.
Dude,
His face looked like salmon face.
Oh, dude, he was battling on this little friggin' jig, dude. And I just tied this. I took my
And it's on your braid. If it was on your other
oh
one,
yeah, it was on
toast.
it's on my big St. Croix rod.
Yep.
My big gnarly.
Yep. It was the right rig. It was the right rod.
And I just retied it for the dam.
Yep.
I took the bucktail off of there in the leader and tied this jig on here because I knew I would need it here. But you know what I didn't do? I wasn't on the bottom, dude. I went down and felt the bottom and snagged and picked it up and just left it about a foot above
Swaying in the
shit.
current.
And so it was just sitting there doing this in the current.
Dude, that was awesome.
Ooh.
That's what dreams are made of,
Oh,
baby.
man.
That's what dreams are made of.
Awesome.
Oh, I caught my first stickfish.
Pour his belly out.
Yes. Yes. It's a little pike. Or is it a walleye? It's a little pike. Greedy little. Get off of my. What are you doing? But that's good with a pike are biting on the walleye stuff. Catch a diseased little snake. Get out of here, dude. At least I got him through the top of his mouth so he didn't ruin my stuff. He's got little black spots. Alright, well. I know how to catch dinks. Or Nick the Dinker. Nick the Dinker.
Look, dude.
What the hell, dude? Nick the Dinker over here.
Oh yeah, this could be a monster walleye.
I'm Nick the Dinker.
Dude,
Here's
this
Eric
could be
the
a monster walleye.
Eric the giant catcher over here. Yeah, it's a big walleye, all right.
18.
That might be eater all day, baby.
Yeah. 18.
They all got them white tips on their fins, dude. What's going on with that? Oh yeah, that's 18 all day.
Dude, it's 20.
20. Oh, he's too big. It's all right, dude. I'd be rather catching big ones than dinks.
Yeah, that's a nice fish.
Yeah, it is.
It's a nice walleye.
It's a beauty.
Perfect.
Yeah, buddy.
Farm?
Yeah, buddy.
Farm?
Dude, you're on a tear. What am I doing wrong? There we go.
Oh, there's a long.
That's a good fish.
That's a chunk.
That's a big walleye, dude.
Cool.
Might be an eater. Oh, it's another pike, dude. What's going on? Come on. Here. Oh.
Dude, you want to lift him?
Fucker. God Fucking snot rocket.
Minnow. You had a huge minnow, dude.
I know. It's right there.
Dude, that was a monster minnow. Dude, you got a fucking in still kicking.
It's a Marmaduke. Look at this pike just chilling.
He said, what the hell happened there?
He's like, damn it, where's the minnow?
What happened? God, you got a monster minnow.
That's what I said.
Pike minnow.
I got a bruiser. Dude, he totally destroyed him though. Look.
Oh, you see right in the side of him where he hit it.
Yeah. Oh, dude! Oh my God! Giant pike! Giant! Just, I was reeling my jig up, and he took me and just broke me off like it was nothing. Giant, dude. He was giant. Yeah. Right in front of us. Giant. Wow. I went to set the hook and it just think. He was right. If you were looking at the water when that happened, you would have seen him. That's how close he was. That's how I know he was a giant. That, and he just broke me off like I'm a joke over here. Wow, dude.
That's why I'm jigging right here. Maybe you'll come back and get mine.
Shit, I wonder if I should drop this fucking white lure down there. Just jig on him. Or no, this fucking thing. Just jig this by the side of the boat. Just jig this thing by the side of the boat. I bet you he'll come. Dude, I'll chase that pike for a second. That was crazy. Wow. There he is.
Oh, dude.
There he is.
Serious?
I told you. I wasn't kidding when I said it.
This is a big walleye, dude.
I don't know, man.
This is a big fish, though.
I got broken off by him, dude. That's pretty sure that's a giant pike.
Walleye. Monster walleye!
No, that's not the same
It's a
fish,
walleye.
but it's a monster walleye. Oh, dude, that's a beast. Dude. Is my jig in his mouth? No, so that other fish was a giant pike, dude. That just broke me off. Wow.
I could tell this was a walleye when I...
Dude, what a bruiser. How big is that? Ah, how big is that, dude? That might be 30.
No.
28. 24? I just forgot what a 24 looks like, dude. Look at that fish, man. Wow. Wow, dude.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Wow. Wow.
You got pictures?
Yeah. What a beast, dude. What a beast. What the heck? He is on a monster spree, and I'm Dink Patrol, just got bitten off by a giant, and then he catches a giant pike, and then he catches a giant walleye right after that. I gotta get back in there.
Dude, that was cool. That's the biggest walleye I caught this trip so far.
Yeah.
24. And it's an eater.
I can't.
And it's an eater.
What the hell, man? It's just your day today, I guess. Am I gonna have a day? I guess we'll find out. But not today.
That's an eater, right?
Yeah, we could do better than that. That's like a 15-incher.
It's an eater, though, dude.
It is.
We only had, you know, I say we
Do what you say. Do what you want. It's your catch.
If he's 15, we're keeping.
You
All
got,
right.
yeah. Well, you got your 4.
He's 15.
Throw him in the box.
I'm not getting rid of a 15.
Throw him in the box. We'll eat him. He's an eater.
Dude, we didn't come close. That's fun. That's where I shine. That's the best part of my, you know, I switched, I was a left-handed golfer, and then when I retired in 2011, I switched to righty. So I shoot right-handed, except my putter, I still putt left-handed. I got the feel for it, you know, because I'm a natural lefty. Because I batted left-handed playing baseball.
Oh, there we go.
But I couldn't get my baseball swing.
Just a pike.
Oh! I never set the hook on, dude. Dude, I just had a couple. I never set the hook on. I thought it was a snag, and I just started pulling them up.
Yeah.
I never set the hook.
Another snap rocket, but hey, at least I caught something.
I'm gonna go eat some bacon.
What's up, everyone? That was the first half of the day fishing that you just saw. My dad had an absolute hammer fest. Big pike, big walleye. He could do no wrong. We went in and we're coming back out, and that will be the next episode. Hope you all enjoyed that video, and we'll catch you on the next one.